Good morning students, welcome back to English subject. Today we are going to see a new poem number 7, My Pig Won't Let Me Watch TV. Okay, this poem is written by Ken Nesbitt. He is an American children's poet. He was named Children's Poet Laureate by the Poetry Foundation. He is living United States of America. He is still living in US. Okay. He has written so many poems which should be enjoyable and very easy for the children. Okay. He has written this poem, My Pig Won't Let Me Watch TV. How many of them have pets at home? How many of them having a pet at home? Everybody. Okay. Everybody love to have pets at home. Yes or no? Yes. Dog, cat, goldfish, goat, cock, hen, pigeon. These are the some names of pet animals. Okay. In these, which one you have in your home? Yes, some are having dog, some are cat, some are having goldfish, some are having goat, etc. Okay, but in this poem, we are going to see a different pet. You would have never heard about that. So, this poet is telling about a pet that is pig. That is pig. Let us read this poem. Repeat after me, children. My pig won't let me watch TV. My pig won't let me watch TV. It is totally unfair. He watches anything he wants but doesn't even share. I never get to watch cartoons or anything like that. He is busy watching farming shows. I should have got a cat. I should have got a goldfish or a guinea pig or goat. Instead, I have got this pig who is always hogging the remote. Okay, before explanation, let us see the meanings of new words. New words. Goldfish, a small reddish golden fish found in ponds and an aquarium. Guinea pig, a tailless South American rat-like animal. Hogging, shellfish, not sharing with others. Remote, a device that allows us to operate the television from a distance. Okay, let us see this poem. My pig won't let me watch TV. It's totally unfair. He watches anything he wants but doesn't even share. See, the poetry is telling about this pig. This pig is very different from others. He is telling that the child having a pet, that is a pig. Okay. See, it is always watching TV. See, it is totally unfair. Means selfish. The pig is very selfish because he watches anything he wants but he doesn't sharing with others. Means the pig is not giving the remote to the child. He always hogging the remote. The pig always holding the remote. The pig is not giving the chance to the child to watch TV program. The pig doesn't sharing the remote with the child. It is very selfish. Okay. I never get to watch cartoons or anything like that. He is busy watching farming shows. I should have got a cat. I should have got a goldfish or a guinea pig or goat. Instead, I have got this pig who is always hogging the remote. See here, This child is telling, my pig won't let me watch TV programs, any of the TV programs. If I want to watch cartoons, he doesn't giving the remote to me. Only my pig will watch the TV. And this pig is it is not watching cartoons and any other kids programs. This is watching only farming shows, means farm animals shows. And this child is telling it is always busy in watching farming shows, farming channels. It is not at all giving the remote to watch my favorite programs. Like that, the child is telling, I am very sad about this pig. I am very angry with this pig. I could not bear this pig because it's always watching its own favorite, not sharing with me. It is very selfish. Hogging means selfish, unfair. It is always holding the remote. See, who is having the remote? They only the king, no? They become the ruler and others will not get the chance to watch their favorite programs. Yes or no? Yes, like that. The pig is not at all sharing that remote with the child. Okay. The poet is telling that the pig is always watching the TV, whichever program likes it is watching, not at all sharing with the child. For that reason, the child is telling it is better to get a cat or a goldfish or a guinea pig or goat instead of this pig, because it is always holding the remote and watching the programs whichever he wants. The pig is very selfish. It is not sharing the remote with the child. So the child is thinking about to have another pet instead of this pig. Okay. This is about this poem, children. I hope you understood this poem. This poem is for memorization, children. So you should practice for the exam. Okay. Thank you, children.